Our liver sauce is ready. It looks so delicious. Ooh, I can't just wait to have this with rice. It looks good. If you blend your tomatoes, it will not come out like this and it will not taste good. Just try and slice your tomato and try this recipe and thank me later. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like, subscribe and comment. Also hit the notification button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So if you have been on my channel before, you are welcome. So today we are going to prepare beef liver sauce and white rice. So here we have our beef liver. We have 1 onions, we have 4 tomatoes, we have half green pepper, we have beef seasoning. You can use any beef seasoning that you have at home. We have curry powder, and we also have our tomato paste, but I'm not going to use it. If you like, you can use it in your own liver sauce. I'm going to use only fresh tomatoes. So we also have our Maggie here, and we are also going to add a pinch of salt. We equally have our white rice here and 1 carrot. I'm going to put this carrot in our white rice. So let's do this together. Let's cook together. So I've seasoned our liver with beef seasoning. I've added Maggi, I've added a pinch of salt and onions. You can also add ginger and garlic if you wish, but I have not added it in my own liver. So we are going to boil our liver and then we'll fry it. Let's keep doing this together. Here is our tomatoes. I removed all the seeds from the tomatoes. I did not blend my tomatoes. I only cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces so that I will have a different and a delicious taste. Try this and you will not regret it. So we are going to fry our tomatoes. In here we have our tomatoes and our onions. I did not blend the tomatoes. I only cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add my green pepper. Then I'll cover it. But I'll continue to open the pot and check from time to time. Now that tomato is almost ready, I'm going to add salt, curry powder, and I'm going to add Maggie. So you can add salt, Maggie, and curry powder to your taste. So from the beginning, I forgot to also say that if you have green spices and if you have your ginger and garlic, you can also add to your tomatoes and onions and fry at the same time. Now that we have added all this, we have added our seasoning. If you have chicken stock, you can also add it, but if you don't have, you can add a little bit of water and then you cover it to boil. Our tomato is ready, so we have to add our liver. Our liver sauce is ready. It looks so delicious. Ooh, I can't just wait to have this with rice. It looks good. If you blend your tomatoes, it will not come out like this and it will not taste good. Just try and slice your tomato and try this recipe and thank me later. So I've washed my rice 3 times. I've also added salt and I want to boil it now. Here is our white rice. Our white rice is ready as well. So it's time for us to eat.